Welcome to Peri Tunes Kids channel.
One little bunny hops to the left and then to the right. Hop, 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 hop. Now there's one. Two little frogs jumping to the beat. Splash, splash, rip it, rip it, rip. Now there's two. Three little turtles slowly crawling on the ground. Crawl, crawl, slow and steady. Now there's three. Four little birds flying in the sky. Flap, flap, chirp, chirp. Now there's four. Five little fishes swimming through the sea. Swish, swish, bubble pop. Now there's five. Six little monkeys swinging from the tree. Swing, swing, ho, ho, ho. Now there's six. Seven little puppies running in the park. Run, run, bark, bark. Now there's seven. Eight little giraffes stretching up so tall. Stretch, stretch, look at me. Now there's eight. Nine little elephants marching with their trunks. Stomp, stomp, trumpet, trumpet. Now there's nine. 10 little lions roaring loud and proud. Roar, 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 roar. Now there's 10.
Don't forget to subscribe to Peri Tunes and make sure to like and share as well. Bye, friends.